We'll be diving into something super important. These are mistakes that might be causing your channel failure. These are mistakes that might be hindering your channel from growing. So at the end of this video, you should be able to know which of these mistakes that you are doing on your channel and how to correct the mistakes. The first mistake is not understanding the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is not human. It is a system that decides which video to be suggested to viewers based on what these viewers like, what they interact with on YouTube, and what they engage in. So if your video is not engaging, YouTube algorithm is not going to be on your favor. You need to work on your video. You need to make sure that you hook your viewers. You need to make sure that your viewer watch at least 50 to 60% of your video before swiping, before leaving your video. By the time you are able to achieve this, YouTube algorithm is going to work for you. YouTube algorithm works for you if you work for it. You don't expect to post anyhow video and expect the YouTube algorithm to start pushing out your content to viewers. It does not work that way. YouTube wants people to spend a lot of time on YouTube. So for that reason, they are going to push out content that people like watching, content that people are engaging in, so that they can spend more time on YouTube. So if you can understand how the YouTube algorithm works, then you have to make sure that your videos is engaging, is interesting, and it's also hook viewers on your video. It also make people engage on your video. The YouTube algorithm is going to favor you. YouTube algorithm is going to make you understand that this particular YouTube is not by luck. It is not by luck. If you check your video analytics, you see impression. Impression is the amount of people YouTube showed your video. And after showing your video, if they did not click or watch your video, or let's say they watch, but within 5 seconds they leave your video, YouTube is going to think that your video is boring, is not interesting. Then they'll stop pushing out your content to people. You really need to work on your video. Make sure your video is engaging and interesting. This way, the YouTube algorithm is going to push out your video to people that really like that particular kind of videos. The second mistake is ignoring thumbnail and title. Your thumbnail and title is your first impression. It's the first impression you give to your viewers. If I am scrolling through YouTube, I see a very eye-catching thumbnail, I'll be tempted, I'll be curious to click on the video and see what's going on in that video. That is how important your thumbnail and title is. When creating your thumbnail, make sure you use both text and high quality image on your thumbnail. And for the title, use keywords, use searchable terms in your title. This way you are going to attract more viewers to your videos. You are going to attract people that is going to watch your video. You are going to attract subscribers and people that is going to watch your video, so that YouTube algorithm is going to push out your content to more viewers. The third mistake is overlooking SEO and tag. SEO means search engine optimization. If you don't know how to use SEO on YouTube, you are not going to grow. You will not grow on YouTube. SEO is as important as understanding the YouTube algorithm. In fact, SEO is the first thing you need to understand on YouTube before you start creating content. Making use of keywords, making use of searchable terms on your tags and description, your title is what SEO means. By the time you understand what SEO means, then your video is going to go viral. Your video is going to meet its target audience on YouTube. How do you optimize your SEO? You need to make sure you use keywords. Keywords, searchable words. I mean keywords that people are looking for on YouTube. If you can impute keyword on your tags, your hashtag, your title, your description, YouTube is going to suggest your video to people that are searching for that particular video, because YouTube is a search engine. It is not a human being that will say, okay, I understand what this video is talking about. No, YouTube is going to suggest your video based on the title and the tag on that video. So if your video is not well optimized, your video is not going to be suggested to people when they come on YouTube and search for that particular video. You really need to understand what SEO and tag means, and don't overlook it. Don't overlook it. They are very important. I posted a video some days ago when I just started my YouTube channel. I posted a video. I did not optimize my SEO. I just posted description and use tags the way I want. Until I changed my title, I changed my description. and I changed the tags on the video. The video went from 6 views, yeah, I think it was 6 views to 62 views within 24 hours. This is how important SEO is. You need to understand your SEO. You need to understand and not overlook how to use keywords or your tags, how to use keyword or your title, how to use keyword or your description. This way you are going to grow on YouTube. First mistake is being inconsistent. YouTube reward consistency. You can only grow on YouTube if you are consistent. You don't just come up here and post video then ghost your viewers, ghost your subscribers, then come again next month, post one video and go offline. No. YouTube reward consistency. You have to keep on posting. The more you post, the more YouTube understand what your channel is all about. You have to keep on posting because YouTube is still thinking, what is this channel all about? YouTube algorithm is still looking at your channel and looking at what your channel is talking about. Which niche is this particular channel? Who should I suggest this video to? So the more you post, the quicker you let the algorithm know that this is my niche and these are the people I are supposed to push out my content to. You don't just open a channel and start posting once in a while and think that YouTube algorithm is going to push out your content. No, you have to be consistent on YouTube. Create a schedule for yourself. If you want to post 2 to 3 times a week, create it. If you want to be posting on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Sunday, tell us that you'll be posting those days and tell us the time. So your viewers or subscribers is going to come online that particular time to watch your video. This way, you are going to grow on YouTube. The fifth mistake that might be killing your channel is not engaging with your audience. You need to reply to every comment on your video. Replying to every comment is going to tell YouTube that people are engaging on your video and so they should push out your content to more people. The moment a comment drop on your video, reply it immediately. Like reply that comment. That is one of the ways to grow on YouTube. Engage with your audience, engage with your viewers and your subscribers. It's going to help you to suggest your video to more people because they can see that people are engaging, people are watching, people are interacting with your video. So you need to know these things because these are the things and these are the mistakes that might be killing your channel in 2025, that might be killing your YouTube channel, that it might be hindering your growth in this 2025. Now, I have one bonus tip for you, which is very important, and these are the mistakes new YouTubers do on their channel. The last tips and the bonus tip is giving up too soon. If you come on, if you come to YouTube with the mindset that you want to get subscribers fast, you want to get monetized early, you are not going to grow on YouTube. You are going to give up. So when coming on to YouTube, make sure you come in the mindset that I am on YouTube to grow. By the time you have the mindset that you are here for growth, you are definitely going to grow and you are not going to give up along the line. No matter how tough the journey is, no matter how hard the journey is, make sure you keep on posting content, make sure you keep on showing up because at the end of the day, YouTube reward consistency, and if you are consistent, YouTube is going to reward you. It is too late to give up. It is definitely too late to give up. So continue posting that content. If you watch this video till this moment, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tips.